Hi everyone. So today in this section of this video we are going to learn about how you can deploy your projects under Jupyter Notebooks and Azure Notebooks, right? So in this tutorial we will be learning about how you can have a sentence analysis, that is a natural language process. And without further ado, let's get started. So obviously, when you get this project started, just log into your notebook on Azure, that is notebooks.azure.com. And in the column section to your right side, you'll be having over to your sign-in process. You provide your credentials and it'll be moved to your sign-in. And when you're signing in, click on your name button and click on the My Account. So when you're done with that, it should provide you to your home where you have your overall statistics of your project or the details that you have made and overview of what the task you are made upon, right? So it should get you through all the resources that you require for the project to get you started. So yes, when you have this home, click on see all because you want to have all details. See status, stars, clones, modified on, created on. When you have all those, you obviously for the next new project you want to click on a new project. So let's rename it sentence analysis NLP, right? So let's click on the create button and it should create the folder. Yes, it is. And when you're moved into the project section, you want to have your own notebook. So click on the new, then move to the notebook and rename it by sentence like analysis. Yes, just a second. Analysis, and click on the version of Python you want, because upon a requirement you want to change your Python version or language and R and F sharp. And the best thing is, in this method of Azure we are provided with various language resources like Python, R or F sharp, whatever suits you the most. So click on the new button and it should move ahead to like create your own Jupyter Notebook section and click on the IP web page. We have our space to start all your things, and now we can move ahead to whatever we required. So the very first thing, since we are providing a natural language processing, we need to import the required libraries. Importing natural language toolkit, and then since we'll be using some sentence analysis like stop words, we need to download the library too. Yes, and why do we need these things? See, when you're importing your natural language processing thing, you want to import all your required libraries to make sure that your program runs smoother. And since we'll be requiring operating with string, we'll be importing string2, and from natural language toolkit corpus, obviously you want to make sure that operations are made successfully. Import stopwords, right? So now next thing, you want to understand what are the stop words, right? So let's get started. Stop words, right? Stop words dot words, and English we want, right? English. And how many do you want? We want like from verse 15, 16, anything, right? So like you can have this if you wanted. So it will actually view that the first 15 corpus of English, right? So you can have right. So it shows that these are the stop words that in English that's been provided. Now to move ahead with the further, we'll be introducing our sentence. So let's create an example. So example sentence is hi, glad to meet you. You are awesome. Okay, so this is our example sentence, and in this section we are actually initializing our example. And now the next part is we'll be deleting our punctuations, right? So deleting a punctuation is like as follows, as you know, correct. So this is the sentence, like delete character for character is an example, that is hi. If there's no character in for punctuation, so I'll be deleting all the things. So let's see how a sentence look like to run with the delete. And okay, see, like hi, glad to meet you, you are awesome, right? It's actually deleting all the punctuations. So now what we'll remove punctuations and print them in a single sentence, because you as a consumer, you don't want a project or output like this, right? So let's join everything. Now how to do that, right? So let's start with the joining function. I believe that was delete, right? Yes, that was delete. Join. So let's now print with the joined section. I hope it would run. Yeah, see, hi, all the punctuations are removed and you have printed successfully your sentence in a single line. And now you need to split the words in a sentence to eliminate the stop words, right? So delete dot split, and when you have done the split section, yes, again we are splitting the thing, you want to have a final final message, right? Or result final result is, okay, we'll be providing the course for that word for dot split. Should not provide any error, no, it's okay. So let's find the final result. Awesome. So it's actually running, so you can have the final result as it's actually removing this stop words like I, me, myself removed from the sentence. Hi, glad, made, awesome. And this is what it is, because you want to empower technology, we have successfully gathered the stop words, we have put it in our example, we have deleted the punctuation, and then we split it out the sentence, and then after that we what we did actually just remove the stop words, and then print the final result. So I think, guys, hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial on Azure Notebook. And okay, the best part is you can obviously click on the file button, you can download, you can make a copy, and you can print, download as anything you want, right? So this is the best part in Azure Notebooks, and I believe that you enjoyed this video. Till then, goodbye, take care.